here. Molly, you want to feed more? What's the duckies? Whoa, did you see that when you jump in the air and get it?
See, they like make a big splash because they like always fight over which ones they want.
That's right. Here, throw me their food. Throw the food to them. You want to throw a piece of bread? Croissant?
My
Throw them the croissant.
More.
I don't have any more, but Molly thinks the bread is for her.
I see him. Let's run back. I see him. Molly! Let's run. Whoa, look at that size of fish. We wouldn't want to eat that fish. What? Dad, is that a bull shark? Dad, is that a bull shark? Dad, is that a bull shark?
I don't think it's a bull shark.
Oh, do they
Should we figure out what kind it is? It's called the seven-gill shark.
Dada, Daddy, Dad, I see a bull shark. Thanks. Oh!
All right, Katie, get him.